Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how to make $812.50 per day with mere words using artificial intelligence. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Who could have imagined that a few simple words could hold the key to filling our pockets with money? If only I'd stumbled upon this incredible insight earlier. I might have sidestepped those years as a broke, low-paying job employee. Picture this. Channeling our inner wordsmiths not just to survive, but thrive. So be ready to transform your life with the power of words by the time we're done. Stick around until the end, because trust me, you won't want to miss a single revelation. Let me share my trick with you of how I made it to earning extra money to pay off my massive student loan. Something sneaky. For this, we'll dive into the freelancing world on Upwork as a copywriter. But wait, here's the twist. We'll find a way to connect with clients outside the platform, saving you fees and registration hassles. Sneaky, right? Let's get started on Upwork. First, sign in and complete your profile with all the necessary details. Once your account is verified, hit that Get Started button and follow the prompts. Upload your resume, and if you don't have one, no worries. ChatGPT can lend a hand in creating a stellar one. Here's a nifty move. Visit Canva, choose a suitable template, and use it to create an eye-catching portfolio. Once that's done, upload it to Upwork. Now comes for the exciting part. Applying for jobs. This might take a bit of patience as you wait for responses from the clients you've reached out to. Further into the video, I'll reveal to you how I did it, and if you follow these steps, you'll be well on your way to earning extra cash, just like I did. And we're not talking pocket change here. We're talking about potential earnings in the thousands of dollars range. I used this very approach to tackle my massive student loan. I'm not entirely out of the woods yet, but I'm making significant progress. Just a few more writing gigs and I'll be waving goodbye to those daunting debts. This method has been a lifeline, an opportunity to make money online from home. So why not give it a shot? With determination and the right strategies, you too can enjoy the satisfaction of earning extra money and working towards financial freedom. It's a side hustle that holds immense potential. Go ahead and take the leap. You've got nothing to lose and a lot to gain. Another method that can help you make money online from the comfort of your own home is writing blogs. It all starts with medium.com. Sign up for an account there. Once you're all set up, you're ready to start posting articles on Medium. Now you might be wondering what kind of articles to write about. Don't worry, I've got a nifty trick for you. Google Trends. Go over to trends.google.com and take a look at what's trending now. This is where the magic happens. You'll be amazed by the topics that people are searching for daily. Here's a tip. Choosing a trending topic can give your article more views, so go for something hot right now. Remember, you'll earn around $4 to $5 every 1,000 views your article gets. And if you plan to affiliate for certain products, that's even more money in your pocket. Now, here comes the fun part. Open up the article you've chosen from Medium, but hold off on copying the content. Instead, copy just the title, and that's your topic. Head over to ChatGPT. Once there, you can use a handy feature called one-click prompts. This gives you a bunch of options to choose from. You can set the tone, style, and language to match your selected article. Paste the title you copied into the topic box and watch ChatGPT create a new, incredible piece for you. This trick comes from the Chrome extension WebChatGPT. It crafts articles that sound incredibly human-like, and you won't even need to lift a finger. So, now you have a fantastic article ready in just under 3 minutes. Turn off one-click prompts and ask ChatGPT to add a touch of advertising style for your affiliate product. Copy the whole article, head back to Medium, and paste it. Don't forget to include the title and affiliate link for your products. That's how you double your earnings from this article. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention one more thing. If you want to become a Medium partner, you'll need to pay $5 a month. This lets you apply for the partner program and earn more money per view on your Medium articles. With all that done, all that's left is to sit back and watch the money start rolling in. It's an online earning opportunity that's easy to manage and can become a solid side hustle for you. So why wait? Start crafting those articles, affiliate with products you believe in, and enjoy the journey of earning money from home. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Alright, let's dive into another fantastic method to earn money online. Leveraging top trending topics from Google Trends and submitting them to high-paying websites. Here's the scoop. We'll rewrite these topics using ChatGPT and then send them to various websites. The goal? To get our articles published and potentially make some real cash. So here's what I've been up to. I've taken those hot trending topics that everyone's talking about, spun them into engaging articles using the brilliance of ChatGPT, and sent them off to different websites. It's a bit like casting a net and seeing which ones bite. And guess what? It's actually worked for me. I've pocketed some earnings by sharing my writings with these websites. A few of them have even reached out and paid me for my articles. It's all about the smart copy and paste strategy, you see. Imagine you're taking those trending topics that everyone's buzzing about, giving them your unique spin, and sending them out into the world. It's a great way to put your creativity to work, all from the comfort of your own home. Plus, the potential to make money online is real. Those articles you craft could turn into a rewarding side hustle. Now remember, it's not just about churning out articles. It's about adding value, offering a fresh perspective, and catching the reader's eye. So, pick those trending topics, infuse them with your unique flair, and let your words do the talking. And who knows, you might find yourself earning money, all while enjoying the freedom of working from home. So, give it a shot and watch your words turn into an online earning opportunity that's both exciting and rewarding. Our last method for today is diving into an exciting way to earn money online that's perfect for all wordsmiths and creative minds. If you're passionate about crafting compelling stories and have a knack for creating engaging content, then this method is for you. Get ready because we're exploring how to make money as a YouTube channel scriptwriter. Crafting irresistible scripts. Imagine being the creative force behind captivating YouTube videos. That's exactly what a YouTube channel scriptwriter does. Your role revolves around creating engaging and informative scripts that guide the content of these videos. Your words will shape the narrative, captivate the audience, and keep them glued from start to finish. Offering your services to YouTube channels. Here's where the magic happens. Instead of sending articles only to websites, you can also offer your skills directly to YouTube channels. You can become an indispensable asset to content creators with your talent for crafting scripts. Many YouTubers are looking for skilled scriptwriters to bring their ideas to life. Tailoring content to the channel's style. One of the exciting aspects of this job is the diversity of content. You'll need to adapt your writing style to match the tone and personality of each YouTube channel. Whether educational, humorous, or dramatic, your ability to tailor your scripts to their unique style will set you apart. Monetizing your skills. Now, let's talk about the earnings. As a YouTube channel scriptwriter, your potential to earn is significant. Your fees can vary depending on the script's complexity and your experience. Many scriptwriters charge per script, while others opt for project-based payments. With dedication and skill, this side hustle could become a substantial source of income. Networking and finding clients. Finding clients as a YouTube channel scriptwriter can be a mix of networking and outreach. Connect with content creators on platforms like LinkedIn, attend virtual events, and engage in communities where YouTubers gather. Showcase your portfolio, demonstrate your writing prowess, and watch the opportunities roll in. Elevating the viewer experience. Your words will shape the content that millions of viewers enjoy on YouTube. Whether informative, entertaining, or inspiring, your scripts elevate the viewing experience. This sense of contribution and creativity is one of the most rewarding aspects of being a scriptwriter. So there you have it, a captivating dive into making money as a YouTube channel scriptwriter. If you have a passion for storytelling, a flair for creating engaging narratives, and the drive to turn your words into cash, this could be your perfect side hustle. Keep writing, creating, and making money online from the comfort of your own creative space. In a world where digital opportunities flourish, making money online has never been more accessible. From the comfort of your home, armed with nothing but your keyboard and creativity, you have a wealth of avenues to explore. Whether crafting compelling articles, penning captivating scripts, or tailoring your words to fit the needs of diverse platforms, the potential to earn from your words is limitless. Imagine the satisfaction of turning your ideas into income, all while working on your own terms. Whether diving into freelance writing, exploring the realm of YouTube scriptwriting, or leveraging AI tools to enhance your content, the possibilities are exciting and diverse. The online sphere is your playground, and your keyboard is your tool. So, why not venture into the realm of making money online, earning from the power of your words? Embrace the freedom of working from home, take advantage of the evolving digital landscape, and unlock the potential to turn your creativity into a rewarding income stream. Remember, in the age of connectivity, your words have the power to captivate, engage, and inspire audiences around the globe. So, harness the potential of making money online using your words. Whether it's a side hustle, a full-time gig, or a passion project, it's time to turn your keystrokes into cash and your thoughts into a thriving online presence. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and here's to your success in online learning. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business.